Karen. This is your little Tweety bird, and he's just starting to get his feathers in up in here, and I don't know if you can hear that little sound means that he's going to be a talker. And see, there's the cobalt blue. Oop. This is that's my tail, my personal tail. And let me see, that is honey. I don't know if you can see very well, but he's got the blue on the wings. Yeah. Really gentle, sweet bird. No. I don't know, I was going to try to put him in my pocket and see if this would be the first time that we tried this. Oh, buddy. Can you peek out at us? Hey. Come on, peek out. There you go. Oh, sweetie. You're so sweet. Oh, yeah, that feel good. It's got new feathers coming in. Yeah, honey. You are such a sweet little guy. Oh, yeah. I'm getting my big boy feathers in. Yeah. You're so sweet. You're such a good boy. And the other bird is more fully feathered, and he has a little green girl. That's right. Will you stop messing with me? Oh, you're so sweet. I'm trying to show you right there on the side of his face. He has a few little feathers growing in. Yeah, so, no, you're just a darling. I love you. Let's see if he can step up before we run out of space on the camera. Okay. Come on, you can try it. Come on, honey. Step up. You can do it. Come on. Oh, good boy. Good boy. That's a good boy. Here, try it again. Try it again. Step up. Well, that's pretty good. You'll get it. You'll get it, honey. You are so sweet. I love this little birdie. Yeah, I love this little foot sticking out there. Yeah.